What if I told you some of the most life-changing discoveries in history weren't planned, but pure accidents? From life-saving medicines to billion-dollar products, some of the greatest inventions happened when scientists were just messing around or making mistakes. So grab your goggles because today we're diving into 5 accidental inventions that changed the world. Title card appears. Oops, 5 world-changing accidental inventions. In 1928, Scottish scientist Alexander Fleming went on vacation and forgot to clean up his lab. When he returned, he noticed something strange. Mold was growing in one of his petri dishes, and bacteria around it had disappeared. That mold? It was Penicillium notatum, the first ever antibiotic. And just like that, medicine changed forever, saving millions of lives. During World War II, engineer Percy Spencer was testing radar equipment when he noticed something weird. The chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. Spencer quickly realized that the microwaves from his radar machine were cooking food. And boom, by 1947, the first commercial microwave oven was born. No more cold leftovers. In 1968, Spencer Silver, a scientist at 3M, was trying to create a super strong adhesive, but instead he made a glue that barely stuck to anything. For years, no one knew what to do with it, until his colleague Art Fry used it to stick bookmarks in his hymnal without damaging the pages. That failed glue became Post-it notes, now a must-have on every office desk. Richard James, an engineer, was trying to design stabilizers for Navy ships when he accidentally knocked a metal spring off his desk. Instead of just dropping, it walked down the table in a mesmerizing motion. Realizing the fun potential, he and his wife turned it into a toy, one that has sold over 300 million units worldwide. Ever pulled a burr off your clothes and wondered how it sticks so well? In 1941, Swiss engineer Georges de Mestral had the same question after his dog got covered in burrs during a walk. He studied them under a microscope and mimicked the design to create Velcro, now used in everything from shoes to spacesuits. So next time you make a mistake, remember, it might just change the world. Which accidental invention surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you love curious discoveries like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more amazing facts. See you in the next video.